Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the phone numbers and installing clients you'll use. Use a real SIM or accepted VoIP number for each account. Telegram requires SMS or call verification. Once done, open Telegram on your phone and desktop so you can switch easily. Make sure notifications and storage permissions are granted because you'll receive verification codes and media. You want each number accessible during setup. Otherwise, verification will fail. Keep one primary account signed in to coordinate the rest. Next, add accounts inside Telegram by tapping your profile and selecting Add Account. Enter the new number, then watch for the SMS or accept the automated call to capture the verification code. Paste or type it immediately. After verification, pick a username, display name, and privacy settings for that account. Once verified, switch between accounts with the sidebar. If SMS stalls, request a call. Telegram will call with a numeric code. Repeat this process for each phone number you prepared. Finally, secure and organize each account so you can use them safely. You should enable two-step verification and add a recovery email for each account to prevent lockout. Then review linked devices and active sessions to avoid unwanted access, and set privacy for phone number and last seen. If verification or switching breaks, make sure SMS isn't blocked, request a call, or use an alternate prepared number. If you hit account limits, wait 24 hours before adding more. That troubleshooting tip resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.